Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys how to make this quick and easy garlic butter buffalo wing. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's begin. All right, guys, here are the ingredients. This recipe is fairly easy. This is what I'm using for the ingredients. I'm using buffalo sauce, and this is the seasoning that I am using. It's basically a mixture of adobo seasoning, Creole seasoning. I also added ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder in there, and a little bit of paprika, no salt, and that's how I made my dry seasoning. And here we have some minced garlic. I also have some cornstarch to make the chicken nice and crispy. And here is the butter. I am using unsalted butter. Also, you will need a little bit of olive oil to coat the chicken with. That way the seasoning can stick. Now I'm going to separate the drums from the flat. We are going to season the chicken. Now I do have a question. Do you guys like the drums or the flat part of the chicken? Let me know down below which one do you guys like the most. Me personally, I like the flat. Okay, that's just what I like. But anyways, I am going to basically just separate them just like so. Now it's time for me to season the chicken. I am going to use that olive oil, just pour it all over the chicken. We're going to make sure we coat the chicken well with the oil. Once you are done, you're going to add in that seasoning blend that we did earlier, or you can use basically any all-purpose seasoning that you do have in your pantry. I'm pretty sure you have one of your favorite all-purpose seasoning that you use every day. So I am just going to sprinkle it all over and toss the chicken here and there to make sure the chicken is well coated with the seasoning. Now we're going to add in our cornstarch to make the chicken wings nice and crispy. So just pour that in and mix it together. Now that we're done seasoning our chicken wings, it's looking gorgeous, well seasoned. So now we're going to use this air fryer right here to air fry them. Of course, you can bake them if you like. However, I do have a recipe. I will leave that below for you guys. So first thing you're going to do is basically use a non-stick spray to spray in the air fryer. That way your chicken doesn't stick once it's done. So we're going to place them not so close together, that way we can have them nice and crispy. This air fryer works very good for me. I love using it. However, it's not as big. I'm going to do 2 batches. Basically, I do have another air fryer, so I'm going to air fry the other one in my other air fryer. But if you guys are interested on this one, I will have a link down below for you guys. So I air fry them for about 15 minutes on 375, then flip them over and air fry it for another 15 minutes. And once they come out, they're nice and crispy and cooked through. So now I'm getting ready to make my garlic butter buffalo sauce. So I am going to melt my butter. Then we're going to add the garlic. Once that is nice and golden brown, you're going to remove it from the stove. Now in a bowl, I am going to add all of my wings. They're nice and cooked and crunchy. So now we're going to pour in our garlic butter in there. Now I'm going in with the buffalo sauce. Just pour that in, give it a nice stir, just like so. If your mouth doesn't water by now, then I don't know, because whenever I see buffalo sauce, it's just my mouth is just salivating. So here it is. I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below. Do you guys like flats or drums? Let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me if you did enjoy the recipe. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye.